Mind your manners, navigating politeness in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, mind your manners. This phrase is not just about words, but about culture, behavior, and respect. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means to mind your manners in the English-speaking world. Mind your manners is a phrase used to remind someone to be polite and follow social norms. The word mind here means to pay attention to or to be careful about something. And manners refers to polite behavior, etiquette, or the way we act in social situations. Essentially, when someone says, mind your manners, they are reminding you to be polite and respectful in your actions and words. In many English-speaking cultures, manners are seen as a reflection of one's upbringing and character. They play a crucial role in making a good impression, building relationships, and navigating social situations. Politeness can be expressed in different ways, such as saying, please, thank you, and excuse me, or through gestures like holding a door open for someone or waiting your turn in line. 1. Saying, please, and thank you. These are the basics of good manners. Using these words shows gratitude and respect. 2. Apologizing when necessary. Saying, I'm sorry, when you've made a mistake is important. 3. Table manners. This includes not speaking with your mouth full, using utensils properly, and not reaching over others' plates. 4. Respecting personal space. In many cultures, it's polite to maintain a respectful distance when talking to others. This phrase is often used by parents when teaching their children about proper behavior. However, it can also be used among adults in a light-hearted or reminder tone, especially in situations where politeness is expected or required. It's important to use this phrase carefully, as it can sometimes sound condescending or harsh if not delivered in the right context. In conclusion, mind your manners is more than just a phrase. It's a fundamental aspect of communication and interaction in English-speaking societies. Remembering to be polite and respectful not only helps in making positive impressions but also in building meaningful relationships. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing and mind your manners.